All right, today I have a Nissan Murano, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers on this Nissan Murano. I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers, how to turn off the windshield wipers, how to turn on the windshield washer, as well as the rear washer on this Nissan Murano. So if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm inside of the Nissan Murano behind the steering wheel. In order to turn on the windshield wipers, what I'll do is I'll look through the instrument panel right here. You'll see this light, or not the light, you'll see this lever. All right, this is a lever right here. And what I'll do is I'll take this lever, and if you look at it, there it says high, low, interval, off, and mist. Now I'll show you this really quick. So if you have a mist, okay, so say for instance you get something sprayed on your windshield, you can do the mist feature, and you just put it up like that, and it wipes one time. I'm going to show you, just like that. Okay, that is the mist feature. And when you release the lever, it goes back to the off position. The next thing I'm going to show you is the interval position. If I take this lever, go down once right here, it is in interval, and so you can adjust the interval with this right here. You see that? The interval it has right here. I'm changing it. You can have an interval, least amount of time, the most amount of time right there. All right, so that's interval. And then after the interval, I can go down, take this lever, and I can take the lever and go down once, and it is now in the low mode. So that is the low wiper mode. And if I take it down one more, it is in the high mode. So watch this. Boom. And it is a high. And when I'm done, if it stops raining, the rainbow came out, the sun came out, it stops raining, I can take this lever and I can go right there, pull it up, release it, and it stops. Now, I'm going to show you the windshield washer, but after I show you the rear wiper. The rear wiper, which is in the rear, I go ahead and take this lever, and I can turn it right this, and it is in interval mode right here. So the interval you can adjust right there. And see, I'm going to show you really quick the interval. It's wiping right there. And then I go ahead and pull it back to where it started. Now here, I can turn it to the on position, just like this, to where it's on. Okay, so it's in the on position. And when I'm done with that, I go ahead and take this and put it back to the off position. Now, onto the windshield washer. Now, if I need to wash the windshield, I will take this lever and I can pull it back. And when I pull it back, it washes the windshield just like that. Okay, so that is the windshield. Now, to wash the rear window, I can take the same lever and push it away from me, and it wipes and washes the rear window just like that. And then when I release it, it stops, it gives a wipe or two more, and then it is clean. So that is how you operate the windshield wipers on a Nissan Murano. This is how you turn on the windshield washer, wash the windows. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.